wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 8 best piping bags. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Wilton 404-304 is a professional quality selection that measures 16 inches long and is made from a strong fabric lined with silicone. It can be used with or without a coupler and is microwave safe for melting candies. It accepts most standard tips and comes with a fill line marked on the outside. However, note that you get only one per order. At number 7, the Cakes of Eden Supplies includes 100 professional-grade 14-inch long bags that can be tossed in the trash after use, making cleanup easy. Each is constructed of BPA-free plastic that's strong and durable, so you can fill them with even the stiffest of icing. They come with 3 ties for securing the tops and are ideal for macaroons, but occasional pinholes may occur. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Qozary silicone set comes with 9 reusable bags along with 9 standard couplers and 9 ties to ensure your icing stays in the bag where it belongs. The 3 sizes included are 12, 14 and 16 inches long, and each is made from food-grade material for safety. They're manufactured using non-toxic plastic and have rough exteriors to prevent slippage and smooth interiors that are easy to clean. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for piping bags, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Ateco 4712 offers 100 12-inch disposable bags, each made from a non-slip plastic to help provide a good grip as you work. The convenient box allows you to pull out one at a time, just as you do a Ziploc baggie. These are perforated for easy separation, and longer lengths are also available. They're safe for hot foods. Halfway up our list at number 4, the kasmoire pastry pouch is made from a durable food-grade silicone, so you can wash it and use it repeatedly. You can choose from 16, 14 and 12-inch sizes, and the flexible construction helps prevent it from breaking. It comes with 6 ties, couplers and tips, and is suitable for both sweet and savory foods. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the ilauke disposable is a thick option made from sturdy plastic that can withstand quite a bit of squeezing without bursting. It measures 18 inches long, giving you lots of room to hold your frosting without having to stop for frequent refills. It includes 4 reusable ties and comes in a convenient pack of 100, all made of a food-grade material. At number 2, the kootek decorating kit comes with 32 pieces for creating attractive baked goods, including 2 silicone bags. Both are 12 inches long with a 6.5-inch wide opening, and the set also includes 2 reusable couplers to make switching tips a breeze. They're made of an easy-to-clean material and are a durable construction. It all comes with a handy storage case. And taking the top spot on our list, the weetiee pastry kit comes with 100 disposable bags that are 16 inches long and 9.5 inches wide. Each is extra thick at 0.08 of a millimeter, and the durable construction means you shouldn't have to worry about them bursting. It includes 2 couplers, and these have wide mouths that are easy to fill. They're affordably priced. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for piping bags, or simply click beneath this video.